Bonjour and welcome to French Action. Which preposition do we use before countries in French? This is what I'm going to explain today. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! So now we're going to look at prepositions before countries to translate at, in, or to, starting with are, which we're going to use before towns, cities, and villages. Don't forget the accent on this are. But countries like Cuba, Madagascar, Monaco, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Saint Lucie, Saint Martin, Singapore, Trinité et Tobago, Vanuatu, which are countries which have are before. Then now I'm going to go into the OAU before masculine countries like Brésil, le Canada, le Japon, le Peru. But there's also a list which I put in alphabetical order for you. Belize, Benin, Botswana, Brazil, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, Canada, Chile, Congo, Denmark, Gabon, Ghana, Guatemala, Guyana, and be careful, the French Ghana is feminine, Honduras, Japon, Laos, Luxembourg, Mali, Maroc, Mexique, Mozambique, Népal, Niger, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Pakistan, Panama, Paraguay, Pérou, Portugal, Qatar, Salvador, Sénégal, Suriname, Tchad, Togo, Venezuela, Vietnam, Yemen, and Zimbabwe. So now we're going to go into plural countries, AUX, and the first one you need to know is United States. Aux États-Unis, don't forget your liaison between the X and the E. Aux États-Unis. Now, we have les Émirats Arabes Unis, les Pays-Bas, which is Netherlands, and les Philippines. In addition to these countries, we have a list of islands which are plural. And these islands are les Bahamas, les Bermudes, les Comores, les Fidji, les îles Marshall, les îles Salomon, les Maldives, les Seychelles. And all these islands, some of them end with an S, so you will know it's plural. So, je vais aux îles Maldives. So you don't put the les because the O has the les in it. And the rest is obviously en before feminine countries, like en France, je vais à Paris, en France. But it's not just for feminine countries, it's also for masculine countries, beginning with a vowel, just like en Iran, en Iraq. So with a country beginning with a vowel, you will know that you need to use en, en. Alright, so now, quelle est la bonne préposition? Here's a little exercise for you. Please pause the video so that you can try to do the exercise on your own. Voici les réponses. Pour les vacances, je vais aller en Italie. J'aime passer mes vacances aux Philippines. Je voudrais aller au Mexique. Did you get all this right? Bravo if you did. Please like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir!